If you're looking to run successful cross-promotions with partner affiliate programs, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will show you how to get started with actionable steps you can follow immediately to grow your affiliate income. First, it's crucial to identify the right partners for cross-promotion. When choosing a partner, look for someone who shares your target audience but isn't a direct competitor. This ensures you're both reaching potential customers who are genuinely interested in what you're offering. For example, if you're promoting a software product, find a partner offering complementary tools or services in the same niche. Once you've selected a partner, the next step is to establish clear, mutually beneficial terms. Make sure both of you are clear on the commission structure, the type of promotion, and the agreed upon timeline. Transparency here ensures that everyone is on the same page and helps build trust for long-term collaboration. Next, decide on the best way to execute your cross-promotion. You can use co-branded content, such as blog posts, videos, or webinars. For instance, you might do a joint YouTube video where both of you showcase your affiliate products and offer value to your shared audience. This helps leverage both audiences at once, expanding your reach. Another great way to cross-promote is through email campaigns. If you and your partner both have email lists, you can promote each other's affiliate products to your subscribers. This can be as simple as including a link to their product in your next newsletter or offering a special discount code through your email. Next, let's talk about tracking and optimizing. To measure the effectiveness of your cross-promotion, you'll need to track the results. Using affiliate tracking software will help you monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions. This data will show you what's working and what isn't, so you can tweak your strategies for better results. Throughout the process, always make sure to stay aligned with your partner's values and brand. Cross-promotion works best when both parties are invested in the success of the campaign. Keep the communication open and adjust your strategies if necessary to maximize results. Finally, if you're ready to take this to the next level, I've got a special treat for you. The software we're using today comes with an exclusive free trial, available only to viewers of my channel. Just check the description below, and you can follow along step by step with the tools you need to run these cross-promotions. Key takeaway: cross-promotions with partner affiliate programs can greatly expand your reach and increase conversions. But it's vital to choose the right partner, set clear terms, and track your performance. Don't forget to take advantage of that free trial in the description to streamline your process. So, get started now and make sure to keep track of those results as you go. Happy promoting!